Hey everybody, I'm back with toaster oven cooking and air fryer cooking. So the sauce should be ready. The chicken is not ready yet. The chicken still has a little bit of time to go. I'm gonna pre-wash my hands again. Washed them before, but I didn't do it on camera. So, and don't forget, if you like my video, please hit like and subscribe. Again, as you can see, the chicken is not quite done yet. Doesn't have quite that browning effect that I would like for it to have. So, and it's shrunk a lot because it's been in for a while, and I don't eat that much, so I don't mind that it's shrunk. But what I am going to do is I'm going to show you how I did this pasta yesterday. Fresh one. And this is why I heated the sauce up in the toaster oven. Get all of that sauce. Get it all. Ooh, ooh, we got leakage. I wonder how well this little pan held up from yesterday. Oh, what do you know? Almost clean. Little sauce on the bottom. I'm just gonna stir this in, and then when we come back, I'll take the chicken out of the toaster oven, and you'll see how this whole meal came together. I was inspired yesterday, and if you ask me in the comments what kind of ingredients am I using, I'll be more than happy to share that information, what I use to make the pasta, what kind of pasta, what kind of sauces, what kind of seasoning. I'll answer all of those questions in my next, when you ask, and in my next video. So just ask me in the comments, I'll tell you, and please like and share. See you in a bit.